Press the button again, Mira? Oh, Tom did. Beep, beep. I love it. It has a steering wheel, too. See the steering wheel? Up on top? Yeah. Uh-huh. Whoa! Uh-huh. Hey, William.
Whoa, those Legos are nice, the big ones.
They are nice, aren't they?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Hello, you puppy, you. Hi, you puppy, William.
They'll learn how to snap those together.
Mm-hmm. Oh, aren't that neat?
Right? They have special places.
So, yeah, on the other side, too, Tom. Show them on the other side. Point to it, point to it. Right there, right there. Look at Tom.
You're so smart. Put one here.
Oh, look at what Grandma did. Look. We're going over there, and then Tom can put one there, too. Look, there's Tom. All right. That's very good. Uh-huh. There.
Good boy. Dad.
There.
Good boy. Oh, he knows how to work them, too.
And who's over here with his stick?
Put a double one right on top.
Who's over here with his stick? Hi, Will. Hi, buddy.
That's fine, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
He's learned already. Being beautiful.
Very good.
Great, that's very good. Look at that side now.
Uh-oh.
Look at that side.
Uh-oh. We gotta put the train back on the track. Here, let's put this. Here, put this one first. Here, put this one first. No. Here, put this one first. Good job. Good job. Here we. There. No, put this one on. Good job. Shit, press the button. All right. All right. All right. Mary, show this. Look, these show other children. All right. There's a train. Choo choo. Choo choo. Caboose. Is it caboose? Mm-hmm. Hey, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Oh yeah. And snowman? Yeah. Snowman too?
Figure those out right away to snap the locks, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Do them again?
That's very nice. Isn't it nice, Mommy? Grandmama?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you call you Mom?
No, I'm not Mom.
No, dude, who do you call you? What do you call you?
Oh.
Arr!
This is Doc.
Yeah?
Alright. There's only one Mama. You say Gamma, something like Gamma.
Go on, you go in.
That's your loud. Gamma.
Come on.
Gamma would be fine, wouldn't it? Gamma.
Oh no, you turn it upside down. Turn it over. Turn it over.
Gamma.
Turn it around. Turn the block around. So the top is up. The top is down. Turn the block up. Good job. I know.
Oh, great. It's a real teaching one.
Mm-hmm. Very good. You clap, Mira? Clap.
So good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Press it.
Oh,
You can press it.
what does it say?
Here. Just press the finger out. No.
Mm-hmm. Hey. Yeah. We're alright, aren't we? We're alright out here, huh?
Yeah, don't worry about it. We're gonna overthink things. It's okay.
Not much. I don't think much. Who's that over there? Oh, yeah, that's... Oh, I thought that was Steve.
Yeah, I think it's so bad for you that you don't have batteries.
We have to make this last like 6 months.
What, the new fixers?
Yeah. Yeah.
Super cool. He's already figured out the Legos.
Mm-hmm.
He's done the Legos.
Oh, did you start your truck? That's how you start your truck. That's how it starts. Oh, there's other buttons like on the front. Is that the on and off switch for the whole noise? I wonder. Yeah.